In the previous video, we have seen design of a rectangular sedimentation tank, and in this video, we are discussing design of circular sedimentation tank. So, the details given for this design are: design a circular sedimentation tank fitted with mechanical sludge remover for a waterwork which has to supply daily 4.2 million liters of water to the tank. The detention period for water is 4.5 hours and depth of water in the tank may be assumed as 3.3 meter. അപ്പോൾ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ ഡെയിലി വാട്ടർ സപ്ലൈ മീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി ഓഫ് വാട്ടർ ടു ബി ട്രീറ്റഡ് എത്രയാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്? 4.2 million liters. Okay, so here you have 4.2 million liter per day to be treated. Now, if detention hour is 4.5 hour, so during that detention period, if 4.2 million liters has to be treated in a day, during this hour, how much water will be treated? So that will be equal to, for a day if it is 4.2 million, then divided by 24 will give you per hour water. Now we need the total water for 4.5 hours. So into 4.5 hours. So the answer will be equal to 0.788 into 10 power 3, or simply I can say it as 790 meter cube. I'm rounding off to the nearest. 790 meter cube. Okay. Now for circular tank, if D is the diameter of the circular tank and H is the water depth, then capacity of circular tank is given as Q is equal to D square into 0.011 D plus 0.785 H. This is the equation used to determine the capacity of a circular tank. If that is the case, let us substitute the given details. We know that Q is 790 meter cube. So 790 meter cube, this will be equal to D. We don't know what is D. D has to be determined. So let it be D square itself into 0.011 D plus 0.785 H. H is given as, it can be assumed as, it's so given in the question as 3.3 meter. So let us take it as such, 3.3. Okay. Now solve it so that you will get D is equal to 16.85 meter, or I can round it off as 17 meter. So you got the diameter of the circular tank as 17 meter and depth of water tank as 3.3 meter. So this is sufficient to hold 790 meter cube, but if by chance it may go up, if the quantity may by some reason go up, you have to consider the safety zone also. For that purpose, we are giving a free board of, let the free board be, usually we used to give about 0.5 meter. So let the free board be 0.5 meter. Therefore, the total depth of the water tank will be 3.3 plus 0.5, that will be equal to 3.8 meter. Okay. So finally, the dimension of the circular tank is 17 meter by 3.8 meter. So this is how you have to design a circular sedimentation tank. So for both cases, rectangular sedimentation tank and circular sedimentation tank, we have seen how to design that tank. Whenever we design a tank, always go for checking whether this surface overflow rate is within the limit we need it. So after the design, just check what is the surface overflow rate, and it should be always less than 40,000 liter per meter square per day. So just check it and then say, okay, your design is safe.